All of us have heard of the lead funnels, lead magnets. But how do we create one? Lead magnets are those freebies that you give to your prospective client to get them on your mailing list, to get their attention, and to bring an awareness in their mind that you exist, you are an expert, you are a pro with whatever you do, and you are ready to take the first step. You are ready to take the first step so that the next step is taken by them. That is the exact purpose of a lead magnet. But now that you have a lead magnet already, how do you build a lead magnet? How do you build a landing page that has your lead magnet? Let's say you are giving away some tips and tricks or some white book or something, some information that is valuable for your target audience. So you're giving some valuable information for your target audience. How do you build that up in a form of a landing page so that you can show them what lead magnet are you going to give them, and you can ask them, okay, to submit your name and email address so that I can send you the lead magnet that I have created for you after the years of hard work and experience. Okay, so this video is not about lead magnet. This video is about the funnel that you would be creating to have your lead magnet in place. Yes, in the next 15 minutes, you heard me right. In the next 15 minutes, I'll be taking you through how you can create your lead magnet in 15 minutes. That's all. In 15 minutes, and your lead magnet is going to be ready. Let's jump onto my screen without wasting a lot of time and look for it. And yes, if you stay with me till the end of the video, hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and add a comment below. I am going to share with you this lead template funnel copy so that you can replicate it exactly how it is, do the changes that you want to do, and use it for yourself. So you are not even going to take 15 minutes of it. But yeah, let's get started. Let's jump onto my screen and let's see who stays with me till the end of the video to get the freebies that I have to offer. Okay, so let's jump onto my screen. And that's how the back end of my system looks like. Let's ignore this. That's how the back end of my system looks like. And where do I find the lead magnet? The lead magnet exists over here. And these are the list of funnels that I have in my list, and if I want to now create a new funnel for the lead magnet, right? Okay, so this is the Facebook ad template that I use as a lead magnet. Let me show it to you quickly. This is the lead magnet that I use to give you guys away some Facebook ad templates. Okay, this is the lead magnet that I use. Now, how can you be having a similar lead magnet? Or maybe you can make some customization changes, text, whatever you think you need to, and use it for yourself. Okay, so let's get started. What we do is we go back to the funnels. Now let's first start the timer. Now let's come back. We create a new funnel and we name it lead magnet test funnel, and we create the funnel. Okay, now I need to add a step over here. What do I do is I go back to the lead magnet that I just showed you. Okay, I go here, the Facebook ad template. What I do is I click on settings. No, I clone this funnel step and I send it to Sawan Kumar. The funnel would be lead magnet test funnel, add step. So add this one step and then the thank you page step. I clone this step as well, send it to lead magnet. Okay, now we would be seeing both of these steps in the funnel that we just created. Okay, yeah. So here we have both the clones of the Facebook ad template, that is a lead magnet page, and the thank you page here right in front of us. Now, what do we do? How much of time has already gone? Okay, so we are almost 1.5 minutes in. Let's quickly jump through the system. Now what we do is we click on edit the page. That's how the backend looks like, where you can easily change the content, the texts, the link to the buttons and everything. So 100% free Facebook ad template. You can give away whatever you want to give. Get instant access to our templates, real estate Facebook ad templates. Realtors using these are generating leads. The button that says download now, and then an image that shows one of the ad template that you would be getting. Okay, so these are the quick customization options. You can easily change the color of the background, you can add a new section, you can remove a section, you can change the design of the button. If you're not liking it, you can add an image. Let's say you want to, let me quickly take you through. Let's say you want to add a 2-column thing, add a image. Okay, so this ended up being a 1-column. We wanted a 2-column structure, right? Now let's delete it for now. We add a 2-column structure. So on the left we have the image, on the right we add a headline, then we add a subheadline, and then we add a paragraph of text, and then we add a button. We can now quickly change the designs, make it bold, unbold, change the structure, whatever we want to make changes to. Add an image over here and a new lead magnet is ready. You can change this image as well. You can change the color as per your likings. You can, from blue you can change it to gray or pink or whatever you think is a good color for you. You can change it, and yes, here your first page of the lead magnet is ready. So we are in 11 minutes, and let's keep moving. Now when we have this ready, what happens is when people click on the sign up, what happens? Let's check out. There's a pop-up that comes up. Okay, there's a pop-up that comes up that does not have any forms as of now. What we need to do is we need to go back. So we have two options. Either we keep the form on the same page or we keep the form on a pop-up. So keeping the form on the same page is better, since a lot of times when you have a pop-up on mobile, it is not as user-friendly as a normal form is. So I would suggest to use a form. So let's go and quickly build a form. The form would be, let's create a new form with the fields first name and email. That's what we want. A button, a text that says submit your details below. You can always work on improving the design. Let's see the button design, how it looks. You can bring it to the center if you want. We can change the color of the button to, if you want to make it blue or red. If you want to make it red, you can make it red. Okay, next would be the text is okay. The border is, again, you can have it in different color. The corner radius, you can have it circle or you can have it, the padding would be this. Full width, if you want it full width, yeah, I want it full width. The text color is this, the text is button. So sign up and get access to the templates. So that's the text. Okay, I'll save the form. Now what I do is I go back to the sites, the funnels, lead magnet funnel. So sorry, we need to edit it. This, the action that we are taking on this button is right now, let's see, text options, download now. It opens a pop-up. Let's open the pop-up. Get your free Facebook ad templates. So we have the heading over here already, so we can delete this heading because we already added a heading in the form. And let's add a form over here. Something like this. you would get the form that I used or we created in the list over here. Probably we did not save it, that is why it's not coming up. But yeah, this is how the pop-up would look like now. If you want to integrate the same form in the page somewhere, you can easily do it by, let's add a section over here that says form. Select your form. No, I don't want to use this form. I want to use something else. So yeah, I want to use this form, but I do not want to use it like this. I want to maybe use it in a 2-column format. What I do is I drag it out from here. So the form comes here. Here I want to add an image. So an image comes over here. I can add the image of my choice. It's taking a lot of time. Quickly jump on to the next one. Okay, and that's the image, that's the form. So here our first page is ready. Let's quickly now move on to the second page. Oh my god, the time is running out, seriously. Let's quickly jump on to the second page. That is the thank you page which you get once you submit the form. We can edit this page as well. That should be quick. So again, since we are already using a template, it's easy to change the text, edit the text, add whatever we want to add. We can add a custom video over here. We send them a congratulations message and then also make them see some video that we have for them. That's what I do. And then also take them to a paid course or a paid program or a paid subscription or a paid plan that you have. Why are we doing this? Because we created some value at the beginning, we gave something for free, and now also showed them a video, a sales video, and now we ask them maybe to sign up for something. Whatever your product or service packages are, we can now ask users to sign it up for. So once again, similarly over here, you can change the content, you can add new content, you can remove the content, you can add new sections and do everything over here like you did it in the first page. So this way we have the thank you page ready. Now if you go back, what is next in a lead magnet? When you have the submissions, when you have the form submissions, now the next thing that you need to do is you need to send them the ad templates. And the most important thing is, how do you automatically send whenever a person submits a form to get your lead magnet? How would you be sending that to him automatically? So for that, we have an automation over here that is called the workflow automation. We create a new workflow in the name of, so we create a new workflow, start from scratch. So we can name the workflow as lead ads test. So what is the trigger? So trigger is whenever a contact is created. Add filters, we can add custom fields, etc. I do not want this. I will save this trigger whenever a contact is created. But take rest, put up this lead magnet link on your social media profiles, on your LinkedIn, or your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your YouTube, and see the magic. If your lead magnet is really powerful, you are going to get a lot of signups without having to promote yourself. And the most interesting thing is you don't even know right now how many new users are coming to your profile, coming to your website, coming to your social media, but are leaving because you do not have anything to hold them up. With this lead magnet, what you will have is at the end of the month, you will see that you are having maybe 10, 20, 30 prospective leads who came to your website, who clicked on your lead magnet, who downloaded the lead magnet, and have actually got benefited from the content that you created for them. And now because they are also a part of your list and a part of your nurturing campaign, they know more about you, they know more about the products and the services that you sell, and they are better positioned to buy something from you. Got the idea? So it has not even been 14 minutes and we have created a lead magnet for ourselves. Hope this made sense. Hope this made a lot of, hope this finds a lot of use to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm there to help you answer your questions. And if you have not yet liked the video or subscribed the video and added a comment below, do it now to get these templates for absolutely no cost. Yes, I'll send you these templates absolutely free. You just need to do what I just asked you to do. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.